welcome to your first showcase. This is the showcase of the brand new die set. Now this is out for lunch, and this is how it's going to come to you. It's going to come on its own magnetic sheet. Yeah, it's good, isn't it? Really good. So inside there, this is the first of many. So inside, you get your header sheet, but you also get all the wonderful dies in that collection there. You've got 25 dies in this collection. Absolutely amazing. And they're going to make beautiful boxes like this here. Whether you're using patterned paper, whether you are using normal paper, whether you're using the designer's die in there, absolutely beautiful. I'm thinking these are going to be brilliant for party bags for kids' parties and things like that. Cupcakes, absolutely beautiful. But when you're on the website, there's a couple of other things that you may want to throw into your basket as well. Now, 300 GSM cardstock, we can't keep it in stock. Absolutely amazing stuff. So you've got here, you've got your matte black, absolutely brilliant. This is 300 GSM. You've got your ivory in there. We've also got that amazing white in there as well. So that's 300 GSM, absolutely perfect for your boxes, but also your memory books as well. This is going to give you really good finish on your memory books. But a couple of other things. Yes, it's back in stock. We have got the deluxe adhesive. This is my favorite. I love the deluxe adhesive. Dries relatively fast, but completely clear. Okay, really, really nice. Yours will come with a gem. I've lost my gem. But also my desert island product. I would not be without my craft pick. It really is. It goes everywhere with me. I have numerous ones in my craft bag. I have one in my glove compartment if I need it, and I also have a couple in my handbag. Yes, I'm sad. Yeah, I would not be without my craft pick. Yeah, so get yourself on the website. As I say, this is the first of many. This is your designer showcase.